Hello and welcome to our monthly sync. We try to do this every month. This is our first monthly sync it's actually our fourth monthly sync of the year of 2012. We're here with some great announcement about our company as well as our products. And I want to start this with asking you a simple question. What's the key component of growing a business? Is it its sales? Is it its marketing? What do you think the key component of growing a company is? You guys can answer.
People.
Team, people.
Service.
So it's not just sales and marketing, right? I put all those things into one word. The key component of growing a business, it is its energy. The people who are in it. How passionate you are about the services you offer. How passionate you are about the product you're selling. How passionate you are about the company you work in. When you bring that energy into your business, whether they are the staff members who are working there for years or people who just joined the company, they grab that energy and they go places with it. So I think the key component is that energy. So make sure you start implementing a program into your company that picks up that energy every single day. I know that people in the membership business, they bring highly energy into their gyms or into their martial arts school, and being positive is so important. So we have some changes in our customer service department that I'd like to share with our clients. We had some challenges in the past 6-7 months that we had actually hit with a lot of clients at once, and we couldn't really take care of every single client the way we like to. And we had increased the number of agents on the floor. We're actually trying to go take our customer service one step further, but making sure that all questions are answered on our website immediately, every single day. So if you go to our lounge and add the questions, we make sure that to answer the questions immediately. We're working on our member portal sections that allows you to come on our website and be able to follow your work orders, knowing that if you ask us to create a website for you, where we're at and what stage we're at with that website for you, your billing processes, your billing application is being implemented where we are with that, and be able to really interact with us on our website. The third announcement of the customer service is to take our customer service a step further. Increase the number of hours that we're able to support you. As small businesses, they're busy. They're doing so many things at once. And they're not necessarily sitting from 9 to 5 and being able to call and solve a problem. So we want to actually extend our hours and hopefully also add weekend hours to our customer service. So we're really looking forward to that in the next 3 months. Now, talking about products, for some of our new clients that we have on board this month, I want to kind of define what really PerfectMIND is and why is it that we have two versions of it. Some people call it PM1 and PM2, but really the real naming behind it is Smart Client versus Browser. In the last year and a half, we have developed a new system called browser-based PerfectMIND that allows you to actually access PerfectMIND through any device and any browser. So now you're able to actually access your data through your iPhone or iPad as well as your Macintosh or PC. Before that, we had this application called a Smart Client where you actually install it on your PC. It's quick, it's fast, it's animated, and we're the only company in the world that offered two options to actually access your data. So you can access your data through your Smart Client or you can access it through your browser. Today I'm happy to announce that our browser version finally it has been completed. You can now access it for all your needs. So before it was limited to some of the applications that we offered. Now it is actually available for everything you do in your daily job, whether it's automation, an email, or a calendar, and there's a lot of improvements on the browser version of our product. So please start using the browser version more often and encourage your employee to use them as well. PerfectMIND is the only platform in the world that helps you to manage 3 aspects of your business: your website, your office application, as well as your bookkeeping and billing. You don't find such an application. We have so many competitors that are after us. What they don't realize that what we have developed is not just a simple application. There's so many software companies out there with two people working on it, and they try to put an app together and try to selling it to an industry. But what we were working on, it's actually a platform that offers something that no platform in the world can offer. And that is one login for the business owner to be able to log into their platform, be able to edit their website, to run their business on a daily basis, and to be able also automate their bookkeeping, making it paperless, and be able to do payment processing at the same time. A platform like this does not exist in the world. We're really proud to announce that today we also have that platform available on all browser version and all devices. We have some competition that they're trying to call our clients. I don't know what are they called, these plum guys, the orange plum guys, right? And they're coming all with this very cheap software. What makes a business grow is not whether you save $60 or $40. What helps a business grow is to solve the business problems and pains, being able to consolidate, bring all their applications into one place so they can only access it easily and be able to generate leads. And that's what we've done. Our marketing applications are amazing. The campaign management, being able to create a landing page on the fly, being able to put a form on your Facebook page, creating your own community on your website, they're all amazing tools to grow your business in this age, being able to be social and grow your business from all aspects. Today, I'm actually really proud of an application that I'm going to talk about. Again, it's a piece of application that we have added to our platform that again takes us to the next step. You do not find such a functionality in any applications out there, not even in multi-billion-dollar companies. For example, Google Documents. You have Google Documents. Yes, you can upload all your files there. Yes, you can take them to the cloud. But is it the document that you use every day in your business? Is it the letter that you print? Is it the label that you print you want to put on an envelope when you do direct mail? Is it the ID cards that you like to print? Can you customize it any way you can? And actually integrate them into your current data. You can do that. So today, I'm really happy to announce our document in the cloud finally is out of beta and available for all customers to be able to use. So let me show you how it works and why is it so exciting. First of all, there's a tab on top that's called Documents. This will be available to you tomorrow, so you'll be able to immediately access it as soon as we release the version. You click on it, you can create any type of folders you want on the left side, so you can organize your business, whether it's sales or marketing or the student services that you're doing in your business. You can really create these folders and organize them. Number two, don't be stuck just with Word or HTML. Be able to upload all kind of documents that today you have on your computer. So if you go to a cousin house or you go to another coffee shop, you'll be able to take your documents and work on them. So we allow you to actually upload all your documents, whether they're Excel, PDF, or Word files, right up to your cloud on PerfectMIND. Now the powerful part of this is two things. Number one, our product team, they've done a great job creating a whole bunch of documents that you actually use and you already need. So we didn't just create the app and left it there for you. We actually included it with all the documents that you need to use every day. For instance, on the ID cards, we've actually already created these merge fields for you in some Word documents that you can actually use. And there are some letters out there that you can send for collections, a welcome letter to a student or a member. They're all included. The good part about it is, again, the ability to merge your records into your document. Now, whether you like to purchase a Word Office and install in your computer and do all your work through Word, or if you don't want to invest in any software, in additional software, and you want to just use PerfectMIND for your document purposes, all you have to do is create an HTML file. So I'm going to show that to you. So I'm going to open up one HTML file here as an example. The invoice is great. Basically, there's a mail merge option up there that you can click and open the mail merge, where it gives you the ability to now connect your objects to your document. I don't know if you've actually already done that through Word or not. There's no these complications about connecting ODBC and connecting to table and then create the merge first. Everything is actually really easy set up for you there. All you have to do is first select your merge object, and usually it's your contacts. Then you go to the next step, you insert the merge fields you want inside the document, if we have already not done that for you. And then all you have to do is click on the, select the list of the people you want this document to go to. So whether you're printing a list of people in your academy and you want to print that out with their pictures to put on your wall, or you want to print some barcode and ID cards with your contacts, you basically pick that list. You can create the list dynamically, so that list can change all the time. So you can create it dynamically, and just all you have to do is select the list. The list could be simply everybody who joined my website in the last 30 days. Or the list could be everybody whose invoices are delinquent and people have not paid for it. I want to send them a collection letter. All you have to do is select your list, pick up your documents, and then click on that print document. And I'm going to show you what happens. This is actually an HTML file. It's not Word. It's been very nicely formatted. So when you click print, you'll be actually print with all the information that already merged into the document. Isn't that great? Isn't that awesome? Now the ability to do this with also Word document is what is so great about this product. Not only you can do your HTML, but if you're already a mass user, or if you've been using our Smart Client with our previous version of our software with all these Word documents already made, they still work into this new system. All you have to do, bring your Word documents here, and then select, for example, an ID card, all right, and print it that way. And it will open up your Word application, whatever computer you're on, and it will actually merge it with your Word document. So we have an example here to show you. So your photos are all merged. Your barcode is also merged, and everything is done for you. Now you can format it any way you want, you can print it any way you want. Now, another great feature about it is that every application you see in PerfectMIND, they're all connected. We're not like some of these companies, I don't know if they're Plums or Orange or whatever they are, that we use all these different applications, right? Spend some money here and then spend some money somewhere else and use another software, get another developer, integrate this into this and into that. I don't have time. I'm a small business owner who don't have time. Please bring them all to me. This is what we try to do for you. That's what PerfectMIND is all about. We bring all applications to one place. So connecting application, it's very easy. Now, as an example, I'm going to show you this. I'm going to go to contacts here. I'm going to select all the contacts in this list. Then instead of me going to my Document Center and pick up the documents, all I have to do here, click print. Then it gives me the list of the documents that I already have in my documents. Isn't that awesome so far? I don't have to go somewhere else. I start with my contacts. Pick my document, double click on it, and voila, it's done for you. What it does, it prints the documents, it actually merges all the Word documents and the pictures with them. Isn't that awesome? Isn't that great?
One of the great new features in the April 2012 release from PerfectMIND is an update to our calendar. Our calendar is already the fastest online calendar for any integrated business solution in the market. Check out what we've added to it now. So with these expanded features, you can now customize your calendar, first of all, by the resources. So your resources can include users or employees, instructors, managers, teachers, as well as event types. So when you can add any type of resource that you want, you can then filter the calendar by those resources. So you could filter it by all of your event types. If you want to see all your presentations and your meetings and your introductory appointments all at once, you can choose to group it so those resources are filtered specifically. So it shows my meetings, my special events, and my intros, all grouped in the calendar. I could do the same with my users, which is common for most other calendars, but here you get event type. You also get your employees or managers, etc., and then you can group those appointments or those events by those employees. And one of the other great benefits of being able to customize these views is you can rename any of these categories that you want. So what you see here is not what you have to use. You can make it whatever you like, and that's the beauty about PerfectMIND. And just as a reminder to our current PerfectMIND users, one of the other benefits of the calendar in its ability to already perform so quickly is when you're going to, if you're going to attend a contact or a customer or a prospect to any one of your events, remember that you have the ability to book, attend, or create the contact while you're attending them all at the same time and all online. So imagine the mobility you'll have if you're using an iPad or a tablet and you can, on the fly, attend someone or book someone to your event. Not to mention, you can set up an auto notification that will go to them 1 hour, 2 hours, 4 hours before the event begins, and you can also automate an RSVP that will be sent to your contact before the event. Just a reminder, this is the fastest and most powerful calendar that's online for any business solution in the market. Check it out. This is the new release from PerfectMIND for April 2012.
At PerfectMIND, our main goal for 2012 is to improve the user experience in using some of the existing features built into PerfectMIND, in addition to saving seconds and minutes from our users when conducting the day-to-day tasks. In order for them to be able to spend that time on their business, make their business bigger, grow faster, and become more successful. To do that, we have actually improved some of our existing features. One of the existing features we've actually improved on is our social site application and the editor built into the social site. Before, and probably many of you guys have experienced in the past, you're trying to edit a website or a page, and for some reason while uploading a video or adding an image or changing a content, you might misplace the existing content, or you might change the structure of the page. This happens quite regularly. In addition, you might give this task to an employee of yours, and they might actually make these mistakes and change the structure of that page. So what we have introduced is a new feature called Page History. Whenever you're editing a web page, or any page within the social site application that is, you will actually see a restore drop-down on top right-hand side. The restore feature will store 10 versions of the page, previously saved versions of the page, so you can always restore back to that previous version if any mistakes happen on the page while editing it. In addition to that, how this could be useful is in situations that you were running an advertising or a promotion, a seasonal promotion in the past, you can always revert back to the old promotion and actually change the content of the page right away. Another feature that we improved on and added enhancements to is actually terminating an existing student or a member. Before in PerfectMIND, when terminating a student, you actually had to go through multiple steps in order to actually terminate all the active transactions or even deleting them from the existing appointments. What we have done in this release, we've actually made that process a lot faster. Simply, when changing the actual type of the contact, either from active students to former students, or from active members to former members, the PerfectMIND application will give you an option and will actually warn you during that process, upon saving that is, and it will actually give you the option to terminate all future transactions and also eliminating that student from all future events. By simply pressing OK, all those tasks will be actually done for you. One of our goals at PerfectMIND is to get a client when they sign up with Champions Way or PerfectMIND, to get them started using our application and automating their business right away. In order to get that done faster, as we are doing it right now, we have created an automation section within the settings. Simply, when you sign up or whenever you're interested in automating different actions within your business, you can visit this menu and automate any types of emails or tasks within the actual existing options. If you want to actually take a look at the existing content or even make changes to the content, you can simply click on one of the options and edit the content as you go. This section will come load up with a lot of automated emails, from delinquent emails to follow-up emails to credit card expiry emails, and all sorts of emails that you as a business owner need to be able to run your business. A few months back, we actually released a really interesting application. This application was called Scheduler. This was an ability for any of our users to be able to embed their schedule into any HTML page. This could be their web pages, this could be their Facebook page, their even blog. And through this scheduler, you can have your actually visitors and members to be able to book themselves for any type of events. Now in this release, we've gone a step further. We will actually add an ability for you to be able to customize your scheduler. Now you can attach any type of views to your scheduler in order for you to be able to filter based on the type of the events, based on basically the number of attendees within the event, or any other information as you please. This way it builds more flexibility to the user to be able to actually embed different types of calendars in different places. This is again from PerfectMIND in the April release.